to import SIM contacts on POCO M8, first we're gonna go to the app drawer and we need to find the contacts app. So find the contacts app and then select it. Now in here we're gonna go to organize in the bottom right corner, and then we need to scroll down a little bit in order to find manage SIM option. In my case I also need to choose the SIM that I want to manage, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Over here we need to choose where we want to save our contacts, so by default we can use our device and our Google account, but you can also tap on more options in order to find some other possible options. So in my case I'm gonna choose device and Google. There we go. Now we have the full list of all contacts that we have saved on our SIM card. You can tap on this check box on the right side in order to select or just uncheck a contact if you don't want to import some of them. And once you are ready, you can just use this import button in the upper right corner. Subscribe to my channel.